In the heart of Igbo land, a dark secret lurked in the shadows. A practice so sinister, it would haunt the memories of generations to come. This is the story of human sacrifice in Igbo land. For centuries, the Igbo people lived in harmony with their environment, their culture rich with traditions and customs. However, beneath this vibrant tapestry lay a chilling ritual that was both feared and revered. Human sacrifice was believed to appease the gods, to bring prosperity, and to ward off evil. It was a practice shrouded in mystery, often carried out in the dead of night, away from prying eyes. The victims, chosen by the priests, were seen as offerings to the deities, their lives given in exchange for the community's well-being. This dark chapter in Igbo history is a testament to the complex interplay between belief, power, and survival. In pre-colonial Igbo society, human sacrifice was practiced as a way to appease the gods or to ensure the fertility of the land. The practice was driven by a range of cultural, traditional, and social factors. The Igbo people believed that human sacrifice was necessary to maintain the balance of nature and to ensure the prosperity of the community. This belief was deeply rooted in their cosmology, where the spiritual and physical worlds were intertwined. They saw these sacrifices as a way to appease the gods and ancestors, who were thought to have a direct influence on the well-being of the living. The rituals were often elaborate, involving the entire community, and were seen as a vital part of their cultural identity. These ceremonies also served to reinforce social hierarchies and community bonds, as they required the participation and cooperation of various members of the society. Through these practices, the Igbo people sought to maintain harmony and order within their world, believing that the favor of the gods was essential for their survival and success. The practice of human sacrifice was eventually abolished by the British colonial authorities, who introduced Christianity and Western education to Igbo land. Today, human sacrifice is a dark chapter in Igbo history. However, it serves as a reminder of the importance of promoting human rights, dignity, and inclusivity. The Igbo people have come a long way from those dark times, embracing modern values while preserving their rich cultural heritage. This transformation highlights the resilience and adaptability of the Igbo community. By learning from the past, they have built a society that values every human life and upholds the principles of justice and equality. As we reflect on this journey, it is crucial to continue advocating for a world where every individual is respected and valued. Follow us to learn more about Igbo culture and history.